Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the leather case for the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Yes friends, recently I'm getting plenty of comments regarding this one topic, which is what are the best case available for the Realme GT Neo 2, and about the Realme X and Max, about the iQOO 7 device. So many phones, I'm getting so many comments. So I thought of testing out few cases from each smartphone as well regularly. So today I got hands-on with the leather case which I did order from the Amazon website. The price of this case is available for about $499 and sometimes $450 as well, depending on the offers and promotions in the Amazon website. So let's see how will be the leather case for the Realme GT Neo 2 device. I'll try to link all this kind of cases in the comment section below. Make sure to check the comment section and I'll try to pin the comments. So you can actually go there and actually check regarding the tempered glass and the case as well, what I'm trying to use right now. So let's see the unboxing initial impressions. I think there is no need require of any kind of knife, I think so, because it's easy. So that's pretty good. Instead of sending in a normal plastic kind of thing, nowadays they're actually sending using this kind of cardboard. That's kind of recyclable. That's pretty good. So I did like this, and right now we did get this kind of leather type of case, which I ordered for the Realme GT Neo 2 device exactly. Let's do the initial impressions, and as you can see, this is the leather case. So after a very long time, I'm trying to use this kind of leather cases, especially. Oh, not bad. The feet feels really good. And you may think the prices are really high, but the prices are high for the quality. The quality what you're paying, that's the reason few of the cases the price will be slightly higher in the Amazon website. But I will not compromise with the quality, friends, because you will be using this device most of the time holding in your hand. So that's the reason you want very good experience and feel. So right now is a quick look at the Realme GT Neo 2 with this case. Wow, this looks really very good, right? I did like the feel as well, and yet the soft touch. So this is not complete leather, little bit kind of leather, and there is a soft touch which is there. Not bad with this kind of overall design, and it completely suits the phone as well perfectly. Mic, everything is perfectly all right. And let's check the weight of this phone as well. How many grams the weight will be there with the case and without case. And is a weighing machine, and let's see what's happening here. And it's about 232 grams completely, as you can see, with case in this device. So 232 grams, and the case can be kind of close to maybe 27 grams or 28 grams. Yeah, 27 grams exactly. As you can see, friends, 27 grams is the weight of the leather case. So but which feels really very good, very strong. It's not kind of cheap quality, not bad. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this. A quick look at the leather case in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Make sure to check out the links in the comment section below. I'll try to pin all the comments for all the cases what I do have at this moment. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and bye.